am going to take you all on a short but interesting trip to my very own animal kingdom. All these animals have different lifestyles. By that I mean they eat differently, they sleep differently, and they reproduce differently. This is because all animals have unique physical properties. Now let's discuss those properties. We divide animals into two groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are animals with backbones and invertebrates are animals without backbones. Now I will tell you about invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals without backbones, but they might have a skeleton like a grasshopper. Some invertebrates have legs and some don't. Spiders have legs and grasshoppers, ladybugs, and now let's move on which have no legs. Worms, starfish. Now let's talk about vertebrates. Vertebrates are animals with backbones. There are 5 groups: birds, reptiles, fish, mammals, and amphibians. Let's start with birds first. They have lungs, they have wings, and a beak and 2 legs. And feathers, they lay eggs as well. I have some examples for birds: toucan, parrot, dove, and again a parrot and an owl and a sparrow. Now let's move on to reptiles. They have lungs and they have 4 legs and some have no legs. Usually they lay eggs. And there are some more examples for reptiles: snakes and a lizard. Now I'll tell you what mammals are. Mammals have lungs and 4 limbs, have hair or fur. They give birth to live babies. Mammals are giraffes, cheetahs, reindeers and wolves, dolphins, monkeys, cats and panthers. Fourth group of vertebrates are amphibians. Amphibians are animals that live in water or on land. They have gills and lungs. They lay lots and lots of eggs. Examples of amphibians are frog, toads, and newts. Last group of vertebrates are fish. Fish have gills but no lungs. They have no arms or no legs. They lay eggs. They live in water as well. I have some examples for you: sharks, blue marlin, stingray, seahorse, and normal fish. Animals are warm-blooded or cold-blooded. Birds and mammals are warm-blooded, and reptiles, amphibians, and fish are cold-blooded. Warm-blooded means having a body temperature that does not change with the temperature of the environment. Now I'll tell you what cold-blooded is. Cold-blooded, having a body temperature that changes with the temperature of the environment. Now let's see what these animals eat. Herbivores eat fruit and vegetables, and carnivores eat meat, and omnivores eat fruit, vegetables, and meat. Now let me give you examples of herbivore, carnivore, and omnivores. Herbivores are bovine, which is a mammal, the goose, which is counted as a bird, panda, a mammal, a horse, a mammal, and the elephant, a mammal, grasshopper, invertebrate, honey, an invertebrate, and goat, a mammal, and an earthworm, an invertebrate. Now let's move on to carnivores, which eat meat. Foxes, a mammal, an alligator, a reptile, shark, a fish, and whale, a mammal, lion, a mammal, house cat, a mammal, ladybug, an invertebrate, and polar bear, a mammal, and a spider, an invertebrate, and a tiger, a mammal. Now let's move on to omnivore. Ostrich, a bird, dog, a mammal, bear, a mammal, chicken, a bird, pig, a mammal, and a human, which is us, a mammal, and an invertebrate. Now there is one more important thing that we need, which is sleep. There are two sleeping patterns of animals. Diurnal means sleeping during the night and active during the day. And nocturnal means active during the night and sleeping during the day. Now let me give you some examples of nocturnal sleeping animals and diurnal sleeping animals. Nocturnal animals are cats, bats, owls, and fox and hedgehogs. Now let me show you what diurnal animals are. Ducks, sheep, and humans. Now I think I've given you a lot of information of these animals. Thank you for listening. Bye.